Okay. So when we are calculating the value of the firm, we use the formula which is present value of the firm. PV stands for present value of the firm, is equal to pi 1 over 1 plus R in bracket. Now, you understand this as we go. So that is the formula for calculating the value of the firm. PV, which is present value of the firm, is equal to pi 1 over open bracket 1 plus R close bracket 10 to the power 1. Now, this entails that if you are going to consider several years, let's say 2 years, you are just going to be repeating this, but the powers is what will be changing. For example, in the first year, you are going to have your power here will be 1. Then in the second year, the same formula, but the power will be 2. If it is 3 plus C, the same formula, but the power will be 3. Just like that. Now, PV stands for present value. Then pi stands for expected future profits in the in each year to be considered. Okay. What about R? R stands for discount rate. Remember that the future profit should always be discounted, and this is a formula to show the discount. The discount to show is 1 plus R, then open close bracket to the power 1. If it is 2 years, you put another 1 plus pi 1 over pi 2 over 1 plus R, then close bracket to the power 2. Okay. Now, I'm going to post a question of an example from the module. You can find it on question 18. Now, the question reads as follows. It says, the owner of the mini-match expect to receive a profit of 60,000 in each of the next 3 years, and to be able to sell the firm at the end of the 3rd year for 900,000. The owner believes that the appropriate discount rate is 10% per year. Okay, so this is the owner of the mini-match. Is expecting a profit of 60,000 every year in each of the next 3 years. Okay, so this is a profit. The expected future profit is 60,000. So we are going to use the formula, the same formula, which is PV is equal to, let's hope these things are not blurred, pi 1 over 1 plus R open close bracket 1. Now, we have been told that the owner of the mini-match expect to receive profit 60,000 in each of the next 3 years. So, you are going to say plus, this is for 1 year, pi 2 over 1 plus R. Then you put a 2 here because this is the 2nd year. Then you go plus pi 3 over 1 plus R, close bracket, you put 3. Now, we have been taught in the question that after 3 years, is able to sell the firm at a value of 900,000. So what we'll do is, we are going to repeat this, the last formula, we are going to repeat it. We say pi over 1 plus R to the power 3. So when you are selling your firm, you repeat the formula of the last year, but what we are going to put here will not be the same as what we'll put here. Then after you have done that, you are going now to start substituting. So it will be PV, present value of the firm, is equal to, what is our pi? Remember, our pi stands for expected future profit in each of the years considered. So the expected profit for 3 years is 60,000. So you are going to put your 60,000 there. 60,000 divided by, what are you going to divide by? You are going to say 1 plus, now our discount rate, you have been told that it is 10%. So we are going to convert that one. We are going to say 10% divide by 100, so it's going to be this and this will go. 10 into that, it is 0. It's 0 point what? Let's just go on the calculator and do the calculation. So 10 divided by 100 is giving us 0.1. So it's 0.1. So here where there is error, we'll put 0.1. Then we close. Then we put a 1 there. Again, we are going to add, because it's 3 years, we are going to say plus. Again, our expected future profit is 60,000. Divide by 1 plus R. Our R we have established that it is 0.1 to the power 2. Plus the third one, again 60,000. Divide by 1 plus R. 1 point plus 0.1. 0.1 to the power 3. Then the last one, because we are selling this company at 900,000, we should include it. We say plus 900,000 divide by 1 plus 0.1 to the power 3. Aye. Now, in short, if you don't want to do that, you just say present value of the firm is equal to 60,000 divided by, you just add in advance 0.1 plus 1. This one here, this one can just be added there. So it will be 0.1 plus 1. And it's giving us what? 1.1. So that is our discount rate. It's 1.1. So you just say divide by 1.1 to the power 1. Then plus 60,000 divide by 1.1 to the power 2 plus 60,000 divided by 1.1 to the power 3. Then we are going to say 9 plus 900,000 divided by 1.1 to the power 3. Now, if you go on the calculator and punch all these, it will give you the answer. Let's do the mathematics. 60,000 divided by, open bracket, 1.1, close bracket, to the power 1, plus 60,000 divided by, open bracket, 1.1, close bracket, to the power 2, plus 60,000 divided by 1.1. Sorry, I've not put the brackets here. I should put 1.1 bracket, open bracket, 1.1, close bracket, to the power. This is the third year, so it's to the power 3. Then plus 900,000 divided by, open bracket, 1.1, close bracket, to the power 3. And if you place, the answer will be that will be a value of the firm. So your present value of the firm will be PV is equal to that. What is that? 825.394 blah 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 blah, just like that. So that is the present value of the firm. So that will be the value of the firm today. That is, will be the value of the firm. So can you see? We are saying that when we sell this firm in the future, we would sell at 900,000. Eh? So what will be the present value today? Then it will be, the present value will be to 820 something. That's a comma. 825, 394.6.4403. That's the value of the firm today. So that's it about the value of the firm. If you have not understood, please you can ask, so that we do the needful.